Hello friends, so I'm back again with another short video before I take out the zucchini from the aquarium. Well, as you can see that it has moved its position, and interestingly I have my pleco still feeding on it. So I got another video of him. I think I could probably make it much better. He's really enjoying that. I noticed he's generally active when his fins are pretty, see, like wide open, straight up. So he's pretty active, he's not relaxing. So I think he's still pretty much being cautious. But yeah, I did catch him today. Before I could take out the zucchini. He's really enjoying it. You can see his mouth, or I don't know, like you can see it's moving up very slowly. Yeah. Yes. I think it's a good idea to just keep it for one day, the zucchini slice, instead of 2 days. As you can see, it is kind of getting soggy, and oh, now I disturbed him. Just went back. Sorry, my friend. Well, anyways, now it's time to take it off. You can see that it is actually kind of getting soggy and spoiling the aquarium. Water, lots of particles, these small pieces from the zucchini is floating all around the aquarium. I don't know how good you can see them. You can see that the particles are just moving, floating in the aquarium. Yeah, there you can see. Yeah. So yeah, it's good to take it off. Interestingly, the fishes are not feeding on that, so I need to let the filter do the job to clean the water. Yeah, great. So finally I have my pleco in the film while feeding on the zucchini, and it was a good film today. The second one rather than the first one, and you can see the floating plants are really doing okay. Yeah, they're doing good. The roots are reaching towards the ground now. Lots of the particles, the food particles, they are stuck in the roots, but I think that's a good way for the fishes to feed on them when they get hungry. They just nib through the roots and get the food from that, the stuck food. You still need to do some cleaning. As you can see, like some plants are pretty dead, the roots are still not grown enough, but I am kind of waiting to see if they will revive in some way. Like I have seen, I can show you the plants, looks really good. The new leaves, they are growing. So the brighter leaves, or the fresh leaves, you can see, which are not the greener, it's more like whitish or very light green. Those are pretty much the new leaves. Those are popping up, and with the aging, and I think probably exposure to the light also, they change the color, the pigments colors, they change from light green to the dark green, and maybe stay for a while before they die. But it's interestingly to see that how they spread. They pop 2 leaves out, and then that's why they kind of grow in the water. So that's really interesting to see the lots of new floating plants growing in the aquarium without any problem. I had one comment from one of the friend locally here who was selling some plants, and she said that she had tried, but the plants, they didn't survive, they died. So well, I'm quite happy that that's not the same with me. So they are pretty much alive and growing, so that's a good sign. And the fishes don't have any problem either, so they enjoy swimming under the plants where, you know, they feel more shady, not exposed directly to the light above, and the water is also kind of covered for them, so they feel more secure. So I think it has a good place in my aquarium right now. It will grow, definitely. I'm looking forward. And the new leaf that's also growing would pretty much in 2 or 3 days they grow to the full open leaf, and then they start growing bigger. Well, yep, so that's pretty much about the aquarium update. And yeah, it's so interesting with the angle of the camera. The colors change so much. So this is the best color I love. Okay guys, I will then wrap up the video. So I have to take out the zucchini and then let the tank stay clean in some time with the filter. And sorry guy, I have to take your food out, but you have lots of other foods to eat. He's so active in the night or in the dark. Okay, bye-bye, and have a good night and take care. Enjoy the film.